Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna just keep this shit real, alright? Savage Mind. Yeah, 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 I do it for my city, I do this for my hometown. I do it for everybody, nobody bringing me down. I do it for all this music and all who have paved the way. Now I do it for myself, I'm switching up the game today. I was growing up, they said I got rhythm. Now I follow dreams like a religion. Working for peace, I hate all.
Alright, just got back to the house. It looks like they did the baseboards. So look, we got the baseboards down all around. I don't know when he came and did it, but it's like magic. It's like you're here one day and all of a sudden there's stuff done. But you got this side all along here, all along under the heater, and he did the hallway floor. So before this was just some whatever kind of crap floorboard or whatever, but he did that. It's coming out pretty good. Actually, he put the door in way better than I could. I got the door, and I kind of just set the door in the doorway area and like tried to brace it, but I didn't know what I was doing. So, looks a lot better. A lot better. I think you still got to do the baseboards in here. But all along here, we're looking pretty good. Back there. So, I guess we still need to do the trim inside here to cover up all this. But all in all, I am pleased. I'm going to take some measurements for the kitchen today. Kind of lagging on that. I should have did that a long time ago, but I actually went to Granite Expo. And since I went to Granite Expo, now I know exactly what I need. I know the measurements I need. I know exactly what I need to get. So I can go there, purchase everything, get it back here, and we can start working on this kitchen. Because although the kitchen's not bad, but this countertop and all this stuff, like, all this stuff right here, bro, like, nah, look like it had some leaks. We not going out like that. And you got these old drawers. Look at these drawers, bro. 100 years old. Got wood sliders, dog. Look at, like, nah, look at this. We not dealing with that. So, we're gonna get another corner. You guys already know about the overrange. We're not gonna talk about that again. Refrigerator's gone. I actually did decide to get rid of it. I actually gave it to my grandmother so they could put it at their house. I don't need it. So now I gotta go refrigerator shopping. And what was that? Refrigerator shopping. Put the refrigerator in. I'm not sure how big it's gonna be because there's gonna be a smaller cabinet between this stove and the refrigerator. Now the spacing, I don't know what it's going to be, so I think I'll just grab the refrigerator first and then just see what space we have. So also I got the landscaper guys coming to do the backyard, which is happening I think next week, because as you can see, this garage is getting dummy packed, and the crazy part is I still got some more stuff to bring. So that sucks. But, you know, time crunches happen. You got to be prepared for them and make it happen. Well, that's kind of a short update for today, but we're going to go head over to Ron's house. Ron is actually the agent that sold me this house. And he bought another house in Richmond that he renovated, and he's done. So we're going to go over there, check in with him. I wish I would have got some of that on footage, because that house was like pretty bad. Like, it needed some extensive work. But I mean, I guess at least you guys can see what it looks like finished. But we're gonna head over there now.
What's up?
Thing looking nice, boy.
Different. You gotta do that last window.
Got the floors in. The walls painted.
Still fishing up.
Got the cabinets. So what's going right there? Stove?
Yeah. Still got the pipe ordered.
Yeah.
I just snapped a few pictures from kind of far distance. Still got a little bit of trimming and backflash in here.
All this stuff is from, what do you call that?
Granite Expo, I believe.
Yeah.
I got the cabinets and everything for, everything was $2,200 or $1,800.
For all this stuff?
Just for all the cabinetry. Yeah.
That's pretty cheap. Cause I got a brochure from them actually.
You did?
Yeah. I went there last week.
It was on sale, so I just took the one that was on sale.
Oh really?
Yeah.
They supposed to be having like a 20% off, so.
Yeah.
No, these came out good.
Just gotta put that little trim on there. Just didn't finish it because that backflash was going on.
Oh, you fancy. This work?
Yeah.
Oh, you fancy. Oh wait, this is a new. This window wasn't this big, right?
It wasn't that small.
Oh,
It was bigger.
it was bigger than this.
Mm-hmm.
What, it went all the way over here?
It went lower, down, lower.
Oh.
Yeah, so we had to build something out. You still got stuff on the outside. I wonder if you did already. Oh yeah, so he's got stuff on this right here.
Okay.
Yeah. See, it was a little bit lower.
Uh-huh.
But see how the other ones, they were all just cutouts. They all just went in.
So you just put them in and seal up the side. Dude,
Got one more to do, and
this is looking clean.
yeah.
All right, I should have showed y'all this house before because it was crazy. Like, here, you gonna have to tell them. Tell them what it was before.
It was a piece of dump before. Now it's less than a piece of dump.
Like, all I remember was like, what? In these rooms, you could see the floor because there was like nothing. This one was like floor. Like you could see like floorboards. Then you can see like, what do you call that? The roof. The inner structure of the roof. Right?
Here goes the second one of the bathrooms. Got a few little things to.
Oh, see, when I was here last time, the bathrooms weren't even done. Oh, got the tub in there.
Third bedroom.
Man, who would rent this, man? We need some rentals. We need some renters. You got your nice closet. Look at, with the shelf in there. Look at, you can put your, you know, all your Jordans, whatever heels, whatever it is you wear. And this one's like the master.
Still gotta put the closet in, but bathroom's up. Got little baseboards in here.
Oh, okay. With the automatic fan, see, that's a must. Because y'all don't know, y'all gotta leave the fan on after y'all take a shower. You know, 'cause then you're gonna get a mold all over the place. So y'all know that, y'all need to listen.
There was a lot of mold in there last time.
Probably because they didn't know, you know, you leave the fan on. Oh, you got the new fence up too, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you didn't see the fence before?
Mm-mm. That's why it was still the regular stuff.
Oh yeah. So now I gotta clean this up. I'm gonna put it right now for rent, just to get the application started.
Oh, did you just show some photos on the inside stuff?
I put some, you know, I kind of cropped it around to make it you couldn't really tell.
Oh, dude, I got a notice today talking about some renters' rights or something like that in Richmond.
Yeah.
I was like, what is this stuff? But I don't think it applies for a single family.
Oh, I think it applies to everyone.
Really?
Rental
Nah.
rights, yeah.
Not for single families.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Depending on what notice you got. But,
I got like a notice of like renters' rights and homeowner like association or something like that.
it's going crazy now.
Well,
Yeah.
because they said that like a single family home may not apply for rent control.
Oh no, it still does.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. I got to read that paper again.
But you know, just as long as your property's vacant, you can go for market rent right away.
Oh, that's exactly what I'm doing. I can't wait.
Just keep doing your regular increases, so that way that rent control won't really apply. Whatever you can increase it.
Just do that every.
Whether it hurts the tenant, got to do it.
All right, got to keep up with the market, man.
Yeah.
Dude, this is nice. killed it in like a month. 1 month, all this was done. I think I'm like a month in.
Not bad, huh?
All right, got the paint out here. You got it looking like Vegas.
Had to do it.
Neighborhood all clean now. Look at this. All right, well, that's it for today. So I think he's gonna start a YouTube, which is crazy. Didn't think he was I could talk him into it. So now we're probably gonna do some collabs on some properties soon, because he's like a investor and I'm just starting my investing career. So we're gonna see what happens. Maybe I can help him with some layouts or something. But that's gonna be it for today.
Yeah, persecuting the system, find it worth in my rhythm. I don't question, I move them. I don't stop, I pursue them. Dreams, goals, no illusion. Like my mama pray. I'm a mama, I'm gonna make it out here in the bay. Travel far so I could have a better life. Got my education so that I could